Hey guys, welcome to the live. Oh shit, it's not live, it's recording.
Oh shit. Here we go again.
Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This is a channel where curiosity meets chaos. I'm Kishore. I'm trying to do some new learnings, new stuff. I'm not going to teach you all stuff. I'm going to learn and drop some knowledge that I currently have and what I'm learning. So what we are trying to do is to make learning fun. So that should have been already done, but most people are making learning like a wrong stuff or making it so complex that normal people can't understand. Normal people like me, I just can't understand so many tutorials on Java, PSA, some forbidden words for engineering students. So these stuff, it's pretty hard to understand. So let's make it fun and knowledge. Okay, I don't know spelling, so let's screw that. Let's make it fun. So yeah, we're doing this. So what we are going to do is we are going to learn Java for okay, for a start. GUG, I think that's the right spelling. Okay, and then we are going to hop on DSA. DSA means data structures and algorithms. Data structures will be like learning stuff, arrays, strings. String is not a data structure, it's a data type. So, but strings are included into DSA. And then linked list and linked list and before freeze graphs. I don't say these are algorithms, I'll say like methods. Oh, ways. Okay, so lots of spelling mistakes. We take like okay again methods and recursion. Okay, before recursion we have so many things. Stack queue. These are not yet methods, but we use them. Okay, we just screw this methods and we will be learning collections and patterns. Yeah, like patterns does not just mean like five. Okay. Yeah. This is not just patterns, then there are actual patterns like two pointers and sliding window and stuff. And then we have recursion. Then we do have some lots going on with recursion because recursion is not just a standalone topic. We have backtracking and optimizing it leads us to DP. So many things we are going to learn. This is like what I have in mind currently. So this is for the DSA part. So yeah, not just this. We are gonna learn. Whoa, yeah, we are here. And web development. Don't mind the spellings. It's as it should be. We make mistakes, we clear them. We'll just go ahead and do it. So yeah, web development. We are going to do front end with React and Tailwind. CSS. So the thing I want, so why did I went with React when we have Next.js and so many other stuff? Because React is easy. Yeah, learning should be easy. Yeah. So before React, we'll look into JS. What's with JS and what's the deal with it? Why is everyone scared of JS? I was scared of JS one time, but it's pretty manageable. It has a quite good learning curve. It's good. Then we go for backend. And here we'll either use Node. Node is not a backend, it's a runtime. We'll use Express.js okay, or I'll type it out. Spring Boot. It's a Java. paste backend. So if you don't know, that's what it is. And then we'll look into system design and concepts of system design. I don't know what to think of, so I just randomly wrote that out. We'll look into system design, and before that, we'll learn some clean code practices. So this is what we are going to do in this channel. So as you can see, there's gonna be a lot of learning. No chat GPT. That's I think that's I have it as a goal. No chat GPT and stuff. We're not gonna chat GPT. We are going to search one every single thing. We are going to learn every single thing. We're gonna make mistakes. We're gonna make fail at things, and let's just get along with it. We'll get to where everyone is like a great software engineer. So the thing is, the main thing is let's make it fun. Let's go, boys. We're going to make it fun and let's learn happily. That's what we're going trying to do. I'm trying to do. So this is going to be a documentation of my learning. So hope it may help you. Just stay tuned, subscribe for joining the order of what we are trying to do. We'll maintain an order. We'll try to maintain an order. So yeah, see you on the further videos. Bye bye.